apparently this is good for hangovers. I'm about to order a clam soup from a vending machine. I'll let you know how it tastes. Apparently there's 70 little of these chijimi clams in one of these. The ingredient seems to be called orunichi. And there's 25 milligrams of it in here. It's really hot. It's like literally like I can't hold it like too long. 27 calories, 1 gram of protein. I'm not hungover, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, it tastes like shijimi clam soup that you would get at a restaurant. Maybe this would do well in the US. It's like bone broth, but clam broth. Yeah.